Malwarebytes Browser Guard protects you from ads, trackers, malware, and scams as you browse the internet. Browser Guard for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox shows you when elements on a web page are blocked. Click on the Malwarebytes icon in your browser's toolbar to learn more. The current website page displays the number of ads, trackers, and malicious code blocked by the app on the website you are currently browsing. To allow a particular blocked element on the current site, hover over the block and click Trust on this site. Protection features for the current website are also displayed. You can toggle these protections on and off. Only toggle off protections for websites that you know are trusted. On Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, click Statistics to see data for all websites. Click the drop-down menu above the graph to select a different time range. Click any large box at the bottom of the statistics screen to view blocks for the malware and scams categories. As you explore websites, Browser Guard will continue blocking potentially harmful content.